Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your laptop. So if you want to change the language on your laptop, just go to settings option. So just search for settings. After opening the settings, you just need to go to this time and language. Then go to the language and region. And here you'll find all the languages that you have downloaded on your PC. And if you click on this, now as you can see, I have two language pack here. Now, if you don't have any language pack that you want to change with that language, just click on this add a language option. And now here you'll find all the language that you want. So we're just going to search for language German here. And as you can see, English Germany, or this is the German language. Click on this and click next. Also choose this state as my Windows display language and click install. And after that, it's going to download the language pack on your Windows PC. So you just have to wait for it and it will automatically install on your PC. Or if you have the language from here, you can just select the language and after installing it, you need to sign out from your PC. As you can see, I have downloaded the German pack language and here as you can see, now I have three languages. Now if I click sign out, the German language is set to my PC. So that's it guys. This is how you can change the language on your PC. But remember, if you have a password with English or number, you need to check the keyboard layout to put the password on your PC so the password will be corrected on that language. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.